Hello adventurers! Have you ever been inside a volcano? Well, neither have I, but today we're gonna go inside one. We will be joining Inside the Volcano Tour to go inside a volcano. Yes, that's right, we're going right in. But of course, yes, it's an extinct volcano. Extinct for now, at least. So the volcano, Þríhnúkagígur, let me practice a little bit. Okay, I looked it up, it's Þríhnúkagígur. So, Þríhnúkagígur erupted 4,000 years ago, leaving behind a hollow shell that used to contain its fiery self. They say that this is the only volcano in the world that's hollowed out such that you can enter it. Normally, volcanoes would be filled up with its cooled magma, after which the initial crater would erode off, leaving behind just the cooled magma, called a lava plug. One famous example is the Castle Rock, where Edinburgh Castle sits upon. Other times, a volcano will just blast off its head at an eruption, leaving behind a huge caldera. For reasons yet to be determined, the leftover magma of Þríhnúkagígur drained off and left behind this empty chamber. Okay. Enough of the theory, now let's get into the real subject, yeah? After getting picked up, we were brought to a nearby ski hut for briefing. Then, we took a beautiful long 1-hour hike to the volcanic base camp. At the base camp, we were split to different groups because the lift to bring us down into the heart of the volcano could only fit 6 people at a time. While waiting, we were allowed to roam around the area. That day, we were very lucky because the base camp manager's son, Alec, was there. He didn't let any of us who's waiting get bored. What's his name?
Mia, it's a she.
He and his dad found her alone freezing by the roadside. So they took her home and nursed her back to health. They released her, but she comes back to feed and play sometimes. She's like their semi-wild family work pet. She's so cute. Then Alec brought us to see some lava bubbles. Basically, at volcanic areas in very cold places, when there are gases trying to escape from under the lava, sometimes the lava bubble formed while the gas is escaping cools midway, forming this bulbous rock formation. For the lack of trees in Iceland, we have rock houses.
As you can, there's no wind in here, and it's pretty hot in here. You want to come in?
You have a good house.
Thank you.
Thanks for the house tour.
No problem. They paid me some dollars to take it. Nah, I'm joking. I got it for free. I found it.
And finally, it's our turn to get inside the volcano. We put on our gear and then we climbed the last stretch to the top of the volcano, where the elevator will bring us into the heart of Þríhnúkagígur. This elevator will bring us a whole 213 meters from top to bottom in 6 whole minutes. Don't worry, I'll speed that up for you and slow down on some of the interesting parts. Let's go! Once deep inside, we were given 20 minutes to roam free within the marked safe boundaries. There were very captivating sights within. I found the colors within painted a tantalizing picture of what used to rage here. So, adventurers, this is how a volcano looks like from within. Going back is the same way up. We got some refreshments when we got back to the base camp, including this very nice Icelandic lamb stew. Then I said bye to Mia and we hiked back by the sunset. I see a rock, I just have to see how far it goes. Hey guys, so I just finished the Inside the Volcano tour where we literally went inside a volcano. So it's a very interesting and unique perspective to be looking from inside a volcano. Like, you see a volcano, you don't really say that you see a volcano from the inside. the colors in the volcano were quite interesting, very distinct, very out of the world. But at 44,000 crowns, it's still on the steep side. So if you like what you saw, do check them out. It's inside the Volcano Tour. Then you can decide for yourself. See ya! Please like and subscribe the video if you have enjoyed. I really appreciate your support, and I will see you in the next adventure. Bye bye!